guys, hope you're okay again. So it's Thursday the 14th of May today. We're continuing our work with our superheroes. For our phonics though first, make sure you've reviewed your phase 3 sounds and your tricky words. And then there's a link with Mr. Thorne. It's the same one as the other day, just so you can keep looking over those different ways of looking at A. Okay, then what we're going to do is today we're going to read as many words as we can with the A sounds in. So I've got you some words here under the different headings of A, and A. And what I'd like you to do is have a go at reading those words. If you need to highlight them first in a different colour to spot them, then that's okay, just to help you get in the habit of looking for sounds within the words rather than just trying to look for the letters. Okay, so you've got those. And then I've put, can you think of a rule for when to use a different grapheme? So, quite a tricky one this, but really good when you move through to your spelling into year 1. So, we can see A there has got they, grey, pray and survey. So, I might say that the rule is when we use the EY as A, it's most often at the end of a word. And if I use the EI one, so we've got ve'ain, ra'ain, ve'ale, ve'age, I can see that the rule there is that usually the EI for A is after the first initial sound, so it's usually in the middle. Okay, so have a think about if you can think of when you might use the other A sounds. That's the challenge for today. Then, tricky word. What's our tricky word? Little. Well done, little. How many letters are in the word little? 6 letters. Well done. So you just think L-I-T-T-L-E. And then another little thing you can help to get you in the habit of thinking is how many L's are in little and how many T's? So you've got 2 L's, 2 T's, and then we've got an I and an E, haven't we? So just try and think of different ways to help you to remember to spell it. And then I've put, now listen to the tricky word songs. How many can you now sing because you know them? And there's tricky word, phase 3 and 4 ones there for you to have a go at. Then have your little break. And then today's maths is shape and space one. We're going to be creating a pattern, a repeating pattern. So I've got a superhero problem here. It says, can you make a repeating pattern? And then once you've done it, ask another superhero in your home if they can work out how to finish it. So this one's a nice simple repeating pattern just using 2 shapes. We've got a 6-sided hexagon and a 3-sided triangle. So it goes hexagon, triangle, hexagon, triangle. What would we need next? Okay. Can you make up your own repeating patterns with more than 2 objects? And then I've put, well, could you make a repeating pattern with 3D shapes like cuboids, cylinders, spheres or cubes? So if you want a cylinder, you might get your tin of soup or tin of baked beans, put them on. If you've got enough tins, can you make a pattern with that? See what you can find anyway. Then there's 3 pattern games to try in your links today. So 3 different links. You don't have to go on all of them, just go on the ones you want to. See which one you like the best and have a go at making some pattern games. Then session 3, going to be some detectives making some superhero messages. So for this one it says all superheroes have to make sure that nobody can read their secret messages unless they are in their special group. So can you write your own secret messages? And I've given you a clue here, a link. Super backwriting, it tells you, number 1, what you need to do, if you've got one, is get a bit of lemon and you need to squeeze 2 to 3 drops, get the lemon and then put a little bit of water to dilute it down. Then you take your invisible pen, which is just a cotton bud, and dip it in and then write your message onto some paper. Leave it to dry and then you need something that will warm it up, so like a torch or a light, shine it on and you should have your secret message. So see if you can write some secret messages and see if people in your group, your superhero friends, can read it. And then I put a challenge. Can you make up your own maths problem for others to solve? Do you imagine if you could do your super invisible ink, then do a maths problem, but only people in your team could actually answer it because you'll only give them the secret clues. So there you are, superheroes. Anything you do, send it to me at reception@redbrocades.staffs.sch.uk. And as always this week, any other activities you like to do, you will find them on your superhero extra activity link. Okay, if you haven't watched the story yet, Super Daisy, get reading. So Super Daisy is our superhero, isn't she? We like her. Okay guys, look forward to seeing what you do, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.